Welcome. In this quick and updated guide, you'll learn exactly how to send direct messages or DMs on X with ease. Whether you're catching up with friends, sharing a post privately, or reaching out to someone new, sending a DM only takes a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and wait for your home screen to fully load. You'll see your timeline right up front, filled with posts from the people and topics you follow. Now, take a look at the bottom of your screen. On the right-hand side, you'll find an envelope icon. This is your message section. Go ahead and tap that envelope to open your DM inbox. Here, you'll see all your existing message threads and conversations. To start a new DM, look for the message icon with a plus sign, usually found in the lower right corner of the messages page. Tap that and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can search for the person you want to message. Type their username in the search bar. Once their profile appears, tap their name to open the chat window. You're now ready to compose your message. Simply type what you'd like to say in the text box, just like you would in any other chat app. When your message is ready, tap send. That's it. Your DM has been delivered instantly. If the person follows you, they'll see your message right away. If not, your message may appear as a request, waiting for them to accept before the chat begins. And there you have it. That's how to send a direct message on X in just a few simple steps. If this helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on X and other social apps. Thanks for watching.